You often hear about neighborhood improvement from La Crosse Mayor Tim Kabat. It's one focus for his administration, but he says the credit for improvement goes to a lot of businesses and people investing in the community. Now, one of those businesses is Gunderson Health System, and as News 19's Dave Soley explains, one of those people is Gunderson's CEO.
It's really all about the people.
An often used phrase, but
The more I do this, the more that is true.
so that's part of Scott Rathgaber's philosophy as CEO of Gunderson Health System.
And that starts with the patients and their families who give us the privilege of offering them their lives and their loved ones to us to care for them.
A humbling experience. People often at their worst, he says, looking for help from people who must be at their best, the medical staff.
And that is gratifying every single day when you see the care and commitment and dedication that those people bring to their work to serve the people who are choosing to come.
That applies not only to the hospital, but to an extent to the people who choose to come to the neighborhood in which Gunderson is located.
So the Powell Poage Hamilton neighborhood is something we're very committed to improving.
Along with the city and other organizations, Gunderson is working to enhance the school there. And Gunderson staff members are moving into that community. That includes Rathgaber.
When my kids left home, my wife and I were thinking about downsizing, and we were walking our dog in the neighborhood around here and looking at the new resident housing and the new park and the neighborhood center, and there were a couple of lots that were for sale, promise lots. And we started to wonder about the vision of what if we downsized here in this neighborhood.
Well, it's very significant.
La Crosse Mayor Tim Kabat says Rathgaber's commitment helps bring attention to where the Powell Poage Hamilton neighborhood is today and where it's going.
People make those choices of where they want to live, where they invest their hard-earned monies, and the fact that they are looking at the Powell Poage Hamilton neighborhood, the Washburn neighborhood, the Lower North Side neighborhood, I mean, all those are really coming together.
The enhancement is the result of a group effort, years of work by the city, hundreds of private residents, along with private business and contractors investing in the neighborhood, all designed to enhance the quality of life for everyone.
There's, again, just many, many organizations, many people, and the investments in parks and lighting and streets and all of that, it's all really coming together.
We're really trying to align what we do every day at work with how we live in the community.
Rathgaber says his decision is just one in a long line of decisions by others to contribute to the neighborhood.
Amazing what you can do when you do things together.
And this neighborhood is just one example. In La Crosse, Dave Soley, WXOW News 19.
Rathgaber and his wife Mary became Powell Poage Hamilton residents just a few weeks ago, and you heard him mention a promise lot. Now, Crosse Promise is a nonprofit working to improve communities, and through the program, families who qualify could receive $25,000 or $50,000 in education scholarships when they invest $30,000 to $60,000 to renovate property.